Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to show you how to work out function machines when you're not actually given a rule. So Mr. Stokes is in the other room making a video about the game you're going to play in the bottom of the planner today. But I want to show you how to actually work it out when you don't know what's going on. You will be given some information. For example, 6 and 24. So in goes 6, out comes 24. All right. Well, it's not going to be adding 6. It's not going to be adding 10 because 6 goes in. If we add 10, you would have 16. So you've got to look at it. It's going to be potentially multiplication and division for this one. So let's have a look. I know my fact families, 6 and 24. The missing number is 4, but what do I need to do with it? If I did 6 multiplied by 4, I get 24. But I also know 24 divided by 6 is 4. So I have to work out which one it is. I've got in 6, out 24. This number's a lot bigger. So I'm going to try multiplication. So if I did 6 times 4, multiplied by 4, I get 24. Let's try with 80. Now this is the tricky part because this is the out. So I'm going to have to work backwards to find out the answer. So I'm going to have to do 80 divided by 4 because it's the opposite operation to what I think the rule is. So 80 divided by 4 is 20. I know that because I know that 40 divided by 4 is 10 and it's just double that. So this answer would be 20. This one, 15 multiplied by 4. 15, I've got 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. And then I've got 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So my answer here, not 20, it's going to be 60. Now I should have an answer here, so you can actually work out your rule, which is going to be 17. If in goes 5 and out comes 17 and we're doing multiplication or division, I've got to work this out. Now, this is a bit trickier because I know anything multiplied by 5 would have to end in either a 5 or a 0, and this ends in a 7. So maybe this is a two-step rule or a two-step function. So if I know that 2 times 5 is 10, I could do 2 times 5 equals 10, and maybe it's times 2 plus 7. If it was 2 times 2 plus 7, sorry, if it was 2 times 5 is 10, and then to get 17 is plus 7, then my rule would be times 2 plus 7. Let's have a look. Can I do it on 11? So I've got to work backwards. So I've got to take away 7. So 11 take away 7, and then I've got to divide by 2. Now 11 take away 7 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that could work. Let's have a look. 6 multiplied by 2 plus 7, so 6 multiplied by 2, double it, is 12, plus 7 is 19. That works. 35, got to work backwards. 35, take away 7, because that's our rule, plus 7, take away 7, divided by 2. Let's see if I can do it. 35 take away 7, well 5 gets me to 30, and there's 2 left over, gets me to 28. And then 28 divided by 2, I can do. 28 divided by 2 is what, 14? So that fits. So that could be my rule. So then my rule for this function machine would be multiplied by 2 plus 7. It could also be multiplied by 3 plus 2. Because if I multiplied 5 by 3, I get 15. Plus 2 makes 17. So there are options. There are possibilities. So in the game, when you play after this video, there might be more than one option. So see how you go.